Hey everyone, welcome back. Jorge with Dent Motion. It's been a while since I made one of these videos. I've been busy with some hail, and today I have a 2018 Toyota RAV4. This lady backed up, and unfortunately someone had parked behind her garage, really close to her garage. She explained it to me, and it was a Hummer, and she kind of backed up. Her camera, unfortunately, on the car doesn't beep. She kind of trusted the camera and just gently just tapped the Hummer, the top of the bumper. This is how high the Hummers are versus a RAV4. And now she got it appraised. It was about a little over $1,000 to get the damage repair over at the body shop, actually. And she has a $500 deductible, and we're going to be able to repair it for under her deductible. Let me show you this damage. The RAV4, it's I have it inside my shop. I'm working inside today. Fortunately, because it's very rainy out there, it's hard to see. But so here's the damage. I already removed the tail light. Really big damage. I mean, she also scraped, which I don't know if that's gonna clean up, but you know, I would say I wear a size 12, and that's about 12 inches. So there's the damage. Toyota RAV4, nice vehicle. I will show you the end result. Okay everyone, just wanted to show you where I am with it. It's coming along. I'm still working on this area right here. This here, I'm using some glue. There's part of the glue stuck on there, and my glue tabs. These pushes right here are from my tool, and they're soft. They're very soft pushes. I'll be able to tap those down and make those look a lot better. I'm utilizing this going through here. I'm not making a hole whatsoever. I always try not to, drill any holes if I don't have to. Sometimes that's the only way to repair. Sometimes I have to, what we call a manufacturer's hole, and then we have plugs to protect them. So you definitely want to, if you can at all costs, keep your original paint. You definitely want to keep that. So I will continue showing you the process. All right everybody, this is where I am with it right now. So far, no hole whatsoever, no manufacturer's access hole. Okay, it's about access. It's not necessarily about making a hole. This will be protected no matter what. This is where I'm going with my tool, right where the wire harness is. There's a scratch. There's a scratch. The worst part is right up here. This is where I'm kind of getting hung up a little bit, but it's not that big dent, that big indentation that it had there. Now I'm gonna buff it. I'm gonna have to wet sand it a little bit, and let's see how it comes out. Okay everybody, here's the final product on this RAV4. You can still see some of the scratches. I don't know if in the camera you'll be able to catch them. Yeah, there's a few there. Okay, right on this edge, right here, you can see, right on this edge, it's right where the metal bends and pinches. I just couldn't get that last little bit. What you're seeing there on the camera is the scratches, but the huge dent, right, like my shoe, it's gone. Okay, saving the customer from getting this car to the paint shop. Okay, this job took me pretty much probably 3 hours. Customers saw it, absolutely happy, beautiful, and that's what paintless dent repair can do. Same day delivery, that's what I would call it. No paint work, no fillers, a lot faster repair. Keep your original paint. This vehicle has very low miles, beautiful, beautiful car. Paintless dent repair, the way to go. Anyhow, if in need of any paintless dent repair, larger damage like this one, this happened to be 12 inches long. The customer took it to the body shop. Like I said, it had a quite a large number compared to what I quoted her. Customer decided to go with a paintless dent repair. She's kind of lived with those little scratches, and we were able to save this this other vehicle. Dentmotion.com. It's my website. 720-552-0808. Calls me directly. Let's talk about your damage. I look forward to talking to you, and thanks for watching. This is another fun one. Take care.